one of the most challenging assignments that has ever been given to modern man. Expansion of human knowledge about space.
We've been assigned the mission of launching a scientific Earth satellite.
5, three, two, one. Fine command. Fine command.
Development and operation of vehicles capable of carrying instruments and man through space.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Long-range studies of the benefits of using aeronautical and space activities and scientific purpose.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff, and a new era of American space exploration.
Preservation of the role of the United States as a leader in aeronautical and space science and technology. We have a mighty big job to do.
a new record for our mission to the sun, the end of an era for a prolific planet hunter, and our next mission to Mars is closing in on its destination. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. Our Parker Solar Probe is the new record holder for closest approach to the sun by a human-made object. According to calculations by the Parker Solar Probe team, on October 29th, the spacecraft passed the current record of 26.55 million miles from the sun's surface set by the Helios 2 spacecraft in April 1976. When it makes its final closest approach in 2024, Parker Solar Probe is expected to be just 3.8 million miles from the sun's surface. After 9 years in deep space, we are ending the science operations of our Kepler Space Telescope. Data collected by Kepler have helped us discover there are more planets than stars in our galaxy. The telescope has discovered more than 2,600 planets during its mission, many of which could be promising places for life. Kepler will be retired into a safe orbit away from Earth. After our Dawn spacecraft missed several communications sessions with our Deep Space Network, mission managers ended the historic mission, concluding that the spacecraft has finally run out of the fuel it uses to orient itself in space. Launched 11 years ago, it became the first mission to go into orbit around two destinations beyond Earth, visiting the two largest objects in the main asteroid belt. Vesta, and Ceres, the dwarf planet it is currently orbiting. Dawn is expected to remain in orbit around Ceres for at least 20 years. Mission managers previewed the InSight mission to Mars during an October 31st briefing at NASA headquarters. The InSight lander is scheduled to touch down on the red planet on November 26th. Its suite of instruments will study Mars quakes and other activity deep below the Martian surface to help us better understand how all rocky planets formed, including Earth and its moon.
On Mars, the atmosphere is thick enough to burn you up on entry.
Our new 8-episode podcast, On a Mission, takes you with InSight on its mission to Mars. Episode 1 lays out the odds of actually reaching the surface safely. Fewer than half of Mars missions make it. The first 2 episodes are available online at nasa.gov/podcasts, the InSight website, SoundCloud, and Apple Podcasts. On October 31st, engineers at our Stennis Space Center in Mississippi conducted another hot fire test of an RS-25 engine controller for use on a future flight of our new Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket. SLS will use RS-25s to launch astronauts in our Orion spacecraft to deep space destinations, including to the vicinity of the Moon and Mars. Urban air mobility was the focus of an industry day on November 1st in Seattle. Urban air mobility is defined as a safe and efficient system for passenger and cargo air transportation in and around an urban area. We are working with industry, academia, and the Federal Aviation Administration to test concepts and technologies necessary to help move this industry forward. Engineers recently tested a subscale model of our X-59 quiet supersonic technology X-plane in a wind tunnel at our Langley Research Center in Virginia. The X-59 will demonstrate quiet supersonic technologies in straight and level flight over a large area. Data from this project could be the path for new commercial markets in supersonic flight in the United States and internationally. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.
Houston, are you ready for the event?
Houston Station, I am ready for the event.
The Coloradoan, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call station for a voice check.
Station, this is Kevin Dugan. How do you hear me?
Hey, Kevin, and hey, Fort Collins. I hear you loud and clear. Welcome to ISS.
Well, thank you very much for speaking with us today. We ready to go?
Yeah, absolutely. Always good to talk with folks from Colorado.
So it's morning here. What time is it where you are?
Well, right now it is 2 p.m., so I think we are about 7. Ahead of you there in Mountain Standard Time. And, of course, yeah, you said it was snowing out there? Is that what you said?
No, I said it was morning here. It's 7 in the morning. It's a beautiful day in Fort Collins. And where is...
Absolutely. It's always a beautiful day in Fort Collins.
Yeah. And where is the... Where... 'Relative to the Earth right now?
Boy, Kevin, that's a great question. If I actually looked, I'm going to pull up my handy-dandy laptop while I have me right here, because we actually have this fantastic program that tells us where we're at, and we travel so fast around the Earth. I mean, we're circling the Earth every 90 minutes, and... 16,500 miles an hour. So I will give you your answer in a second, because we travel so fast from continent to continent, it is difficult for us to keep up.
Not bad. So how's the mission going, Serena?
The mission is going fantastic. You know, it's been a very busy mission. It was interesting because we all looked at and said, wow, we have just passed the 150-day mark for this mission, and we can't believe how fast it has gone, and just the amount of science that we've performed and how many things have happened. And we've seen one crew already depart us, and then another crew was supposed to join us but didn't quite make it. So we've got us 3 up here right now, but we're doing really, really well.
Good, good. There were some challenges or problems with the replacement crew. Has that been worked out?
Yeah, absolutely. And Roscosmos, our partner, has been in the process of a pretty big investigation and has been keeping everybody in the loop so far. And they did present a lot of those findings not that long ago. Confident that they successfully have figured out what caused the failure to that Soyuz. And so since that time, we have scheduled the next launch for the next crew that's going to be coming up, and they'll be scheduled to launch out of Baikonur on December 3rd, and that'll be Anne McLean, David St. Jacques, and Oleg Kononenko.
Oh. So I'm sorry, when are they expected to come up and
So they'll be launching on the 3rd, and right now they're scheduled to do what we call a shorter rendezvous profile, a 4-orbit